In hindsight. Cheers, bud. Have a great weekend. Thank you guys for tuning in. I guess let's discuss this a little bit. I mean, losing the majority of their Vega risk at 43.50 going into next Friday, and then almost closing today under their risk at like 43.25. This isn't good. They lost almost. This is the third time now that they're positioning above 43.75 has been blown up. This can't be a win, right? Like, I mean, I'll give it to the Bulls. They tried really, really hard, but this is just not going their way. What's up with Siri? I don't know. It's doing some weird shit today, so I bought a few more calls on it. It's not a steaming loss, right? Right? What do you mean? Nice job, lost you again. Well done. I don't know what you mean. Anyway, so yields actually moved down all day today. So a lot of liquidity flowing out into the bond market. The 30-year down almost no, exactly 2%. The 10 and the 20 down about 170 BPS. Dixie up on the day, but just barely. That one kind of kept moving between like here. I'll show you. Kind of just kept fluctuating between like the low end of like 106, and I think we topped out at 106.80, but we're back in the trend. So I mean, this is gonna continue to pressure volatility up, especially if we get back above like 107.25 again and back above that November resistance level from last year. Gold rocketed today, up 300 BPS. Silver up 400. Oil up 570. So it looks like a lot of speculation and instability, right? Specifically in the Middle East, also in currency. So yeah, we'll see. We'll kind of see how positioning shakes out over the weekend. Right now, Monday still looks pretty weak for the Bulls. Um, they're still underwater. Vol closed today really high. We're still at 19, right? Um, they do not have like a good call structure built up for Monday yet. So I mean, puts are definitely advantaged going into the weekend. I still expect that there'll be some attempt to de-risk more through the early part of next week, but that may not necessarily mean that we get higher highs, right? We may get higher than we're trading at now, but we may not break like 75 again. The next test to the upside, they may just de-risk 43.50, right? And then we're gonna fall back down, and then we might see them de-risk 25 and 4,400. But it seems to be that we're already starting to stair step down, and volatility is just increasing on the back of that. Yeah, we'll look at positioning. I'll go over what all that means in Pickles Picks on Sunday, and then we'll also cover some of it in the stream on Sunday as well. So I'll see you guys Sunday, 12:30 p.m. I hope everybody has a great weekend. Later.